Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of azxp Garage. Today I want to talk to you about some parts that I was sent from QMPARTS. They want me to install these and do a video of the installation and what I think about them, a fair, honest review. So today let's open up the boxes and see what we got. Kind of heavy. So it looks like we got a set of mirrors here. By the way, these parts are for the 98 or 97 to 2006 TJ. So if you have a 2006 to 98 or 98 to 2006 TJ, then keep watching, and we're gonna review how hard or easy it is to install these on the TJ. Those are the mirrors. And it looks like here we have some grab handles. They look like they go on the roll bar. So far they look pretty durable. It's nice material. Let's get these things installed, see how easy or hard that is, and then we'll road test them and follow up with a final review. I will leave a link in the description to all of these parts where you can get them. So stay tuned. Let's get to work. Hey guys, we're outside at the wife's car. It's a 98 Jeep Wrangler TJ. Today we're going to install these parts that QMPARTS sent me on her car because I already have mirrors on mine. It's the same year range. Hers is a 2000, mine's a 98. These will fit 98 to 2006. So let's get started. Okay, I've laid out the parts that I'm going to install today and the tools I'm going to need. So here is the grab handles. Here's the mirrors and the brackets. The bag of nuts and bolts for the mirrors, and I have a ratchet, a 13mm socket, short extension, and a number 6 Allen socket. Let's get this stuff on the car. Okay, so we run into a slight problem, but it doesn't seem to be too bad. But the screw to hold it doesn't fit in the slot, but just barely. There's like a little bushing in there. So let's, I'm gonna try and run this up with a ratchet and see how that goes. Yeah, it's going in nice. It's not really stiff or hard. It's a tight fit, but it doesn't seem to be hurting anything. I want to let you know I did put a lock washer on this end. I'm gonna get an electric ratchet. Alright, so I'm gonna run this up with an electric ratchet. It's going nice and easy. Actually, I'm not going to be able to spin the arm, so I'm going to use this washer with the marks in it. We're going to put this on here And then we're gonna hold this over and screw this up. But let's turn it the right direction. So we'll just keep that a little loose right now and put the mirror on it so we can get the general direction. Okay, we're going to use the small bolt with a lock washer and a flat washer to install the mirror. Okay, we're going to grab the mirror and we're going to hold it up to the bracket and screw it on. We'll get it on there finger tight. Okay. We see the mirror's kind of floppy. We can adjust that. So let's tighten up this bolt. The bolt's a 13 millimeter. Let's give it a quick cinch up. Not too tight. And we will tighten up the mirror. It looks pretty symmetric. We don't want to get it too tight because we want to be able to adjust it. We'll just give it a little quick adjustment. It's a size 4 Allen. And we just want to cinch these up a bit. Not too much, just enough to get it tight, but still adjustable. So what I may do is get the wife in here, sit down, and we'll adjust it to where she wants it, and then we'll tighten down pretty tight. So that's it, the mirror's basically installed. Look at that. It matches the yellow and black Jeep. I think it looks pretty good. It uses the hinge when the door's off. Fortunately, her doors were already off. So, I think it looks pretty good. It has this adjustment, has that adjustment, that adjustment. So let's get a little wider shot of what it looks like. And we can tighten this down tighter, but like I said, I want to adjust this for when she's driving it, not for me. Get a view of the front. So it's just as easy as that as to install, just 2 bolts. And then just tighten everything up to where it fits you. So let's get started on the grab handles. Okay, so the grab handles are going to be much easier to install. There's no tools required. It's just going to Velcro to the roll bar. So I'm going to show you that real quick. Okay, so we're just going to undo the Velcro, and we're just going to sit this on the roll bar, run the straps through, get it kind of centered on the bar where you want it, and then strap it down. So straps are a little bit big for this, but it looks like they'll work. But I'm just going to take the excess and shove it inside there. See if we can get that to work a little bit better. I'll just loosen this one up a little bit. It's a little bit tight. We'll just shove the excess in the buckle like that. Tighten that down, and we have a grab handle. So in conclusion, pros and cons. Pros, they look nice. They're nice and tight. We went and drove around. There was minimal shaking. I have a little lesser quality on my Jeep, and when I get to about 40 miles an hour, they whistle. These were quiet, super quiet. The grab handles do seem to be pretty quality. The parts seem to be more quality than most. Me and Robin talked about this, and she's gonna keep them. She likes them. She likes the big mirrors. They fit solid, minimal shakiness. Like I said, when you're driving. Cons, they mount to your door hinge, so you have to take these off to put your doors on, and put these on when you take your doors off. So it's a little extra work, but it's one bolt, so it goes in super easy. Like I said, it's not bad looking. It doesn't come with instructions either, so I helped show you how to install this. Normally the grab handles in Arizona, they get beat up by the sun, but these ones do seem more quality as normal, but I probably wouldn't leave them in direct sunlight for a long time. I don't know about the longevity, but so far I feel pretty happy about the parts, and Robin and I have talked about it, and she's gonna keep these on her Jeep. She likes them. So if it's something that you're looking into and you like, then I will have product links in the description of this video. So I hope this was helpful. Feel free to ask any questions or make any comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.